Bushkode Jibik, Bushkode Jibik, Nukwejigan, Bushkode Jibik. Oh, hey there, Buju. Welcome to Buju Nana Buju, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Nana Buju, and today we're going to talk about Bushkode Jibik and Nukwejigan. Bushkode Jibik and Nukwejigan. They're our mushkiki. They're medicine. Bushkode Jibik, sage. This is one of our medicines given to us by the Great Spirit, by Gitchi Manadu. And what it does, if you burn Bushkode Jibik, you can Nukwejigan, you can smudge, and it scares away the bad spirits and it invites in the good spirits. So we like to smudge down before things like, going to a powwow, before ceremony, like you might smudge down and purify. It purifies the air and it purifies yourself. And then, sometimes people get those words mistaken. People come up to me and they'll be like, "Hey, Nana Buju, you got any of that smudge?" And I'm like, "No, I don't have any smudge. I got some sage. You want some Bushkode Jibik so you can Nukwejigan? You want some sage so you can smudge down then?" All right, so there you go. Bushkode Jibik, Nukwejigan. And those are our words for today. And you've been watching Buju Nana Buju, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I will see you again. Kiga min, minawa, hoa. Yeah. Bushkode Jibik, Bushkode Jibik, Nukwejigan, Nukwejigan, eh.